Welcome to Enchanted Tarot. This is for the sign of Aquarius. It is a general reading. That being said, it may or may not resonate with you. If it doesn't sound like it's your story, check your other placements. Your messages could be there. At the heart of this reading, Aquarius, you have the whip and you have the coffin that follows. I feel like you could be procrastinating about something or putting something off because maybe it is too painful, too hard, you don't really want to deal with it. And I feel it has to do with ending something, okay? I feel like a third party has entered into the equation. And I feel like you could be kind of juggling two relationships. It feels like two completely different lives. Like one can't compare to the other. You either have got involved with a married person, probably somebody who's much older than you. This could even be a boss for someone. You may have impulsively made an emotional decision in the moment to jump in or take a leap with this person. And maybe it was only meant to be a one-night stand or a one-time thing, but maybe it has grown into something more. I feel like this is a third party. Either it is a married person or you yourself are married and you took a lover, okay? And if you are the one who took a lover, I feel like your lover would be younger than you in that case. If it is a married person, then most likely are older than you. This really what it comes down to is a choice. And I feel like the longer you drag this out, the more painful or more difficult it becomes. So it's almost like with the whip showing up here, you need to get cracking on this. You need to do this. You need to decide whether you are going to end or try to repair an older relationship or start in new with this person. I feel like you are also feeling guilt and for your current partner, and I feel like this just makes it all that much more difficult for you to choose, because maybe you still have, or you've discovered that you still have feelings for your partner, and thus it is not so easy anymore. So you could have feelings for both of these people for perhaps different reasons. The Knight of Coins in reverse. There was an impulsive decision you took. You have the Knight of Coins, reverse with this Eight of Swords. So this didn't really go the way you thought it was going to go. And that's what I mean. I think that it was supposed to be like a one-time thing. Or maybe it just kind of happened, you know. Maybe you were missing something in your relationship that this person could have approached you, and you just kind of they touched something in you, and it's just like you just kind of went for it. It feels like in the moment, it's almost like in the moment, it's like this, whatever this was, it just had complete power over you. It just kind of, you just went with it. And maybe now you are feeling guilty and you're very heavily burdened by the position that you now find yourself in and the decision that you now find yourself facing. Yeah. And it's like a consequence of the action that was taken. And it's not just for you, the other person also. This has had a huge impact on the other person and on their life. And this other person, it's like when it comes to you, it's like they can't help themselves. It's like they have some uh, they have some really intense feelings. You guys may have tried to end it, but were unable to. It's like you're pulled back together. They have some really intense feelings towards you. You could have very intense feelings when it comes to trying to end this situation that you are in. You're when it comes to the devil and restoring order, you're hoping for a happy outcome. It could feel like you're always looking over your shoulder or having to look over your shoulder because of this deception, possibly also. Um, you, it feels like this situation has control over you and not the other way around. You could be uh, questioning the rules or the fact that you've broken the rules. Um, your current partner, if you are married, your current partner could be, uh, they can be very controlling also. You, it feels like you're not ready to make this decision. You're not ready to walk away from you're not ready to make this decision. You're not ready to walk away from either one of these people. That's what I get. You're trapped, you're stuck. You're emotionally troubled. The world in reverse. If you're thinking of ending it with the lover, if you have been thinking of ending it with the lover, you don't want to. You feel like there's more yet to explore there, or that there's things, the world in reverse can be things left unsaid or undone. You're really studying a relationship, and that's where your focus is. Do I repair the relationship? You have a long-standing relationship maybe, or yeah, you may have a long-standing relationship, and this would be, do I repair it? Do I cut out the lover and work on my marriage or my life partner here? Or do I end this relationship in favor of the lover? That's your question. And you seem to be very, very drawn to this temptation towards the lover. Um, that's where you are. It's like you're stuck in this relationship, and I can't tell you what to do because this is your lesson to learn. It's your lesson to learn. It's your choice to make. You're fearful of going one way or the other, but you have to choose. You could be, you're on the fence, you're looking at the deception that's behind you here, that you're looking, there's two sides of this fence, and you're looking back at the snake, and there's a rooster on the fence. This could be that you, with the moon following it, this moon says that something is revealed to you. So does the rooster. Okay, see? Okay. There's something you're looking behind at the lover, and there's something that's troubling you about the lover and about this decision. As much as I feel like you're tempted to go that way, you might just surprise yourself and go the other way. You may end up staying here, because the tower is about somebody who's trapped and who's going to be released. And so I know you're going to be released over here from this decision, this energy, this situation that you feel trapped in. It could be that with the rooster being here, that's a wake-up call. There's the tower. This tower is going to occur over here. And there's going to be a wake-up call when it comes to a deception. And whatever that is, whatever happens here in the future, whatever it is that you suddenly see is going to strongly influence your decision on which way to wield that scythe, which one is going. So this is not anything that you planned for. This is something that just kind of happens. And from it, you will learn a lot. And so you must decide. There's something that is going to happen that you're going to suddenly just see. And this is going to influence your decision. It's like you are suddenly, look how the one door is lit up. You're just going to suddenly see which path that you need to take. That's coming. This moon says that it will be revealed to you. So there's something happening that you don't see coming. It's like the snake in the grass, and you don't see it until, it's too late. You will be shown something, and I believe it is connected to the lover. So that's what I have for you, and I thank you for watching, for liking, and for sharing my videos, and for subscribing. Also, thank you to everyone who has sent in a donation. It is greatly appreciated. Many blessings to all of you.